Devyani International, the largest operator of marquee quick service restaurants or QSR, such as KFC and Pizza Hut, will enter Dalal Street next week to launch its initial public offering or IPO. The company has filed its Red Herring Prospectus or RHP with the Capital Markets Regulator for its public issue that opens on Wednesday, 4th August 2021 and will remain open for subscription by investors till Friday, 6th August 2021. The public issue comprises fresh issues of shares worth Rs 440 crore and offer for sales or OFS of issuing up to 15.53 crore equity shares by existing shareholders and promoters. And OFS comprises 6.53 crore shares by Dunearn Investments, Mauritius Pte. Up to 9 crore shares by RJ Corporation Limited. This will be the third restaurant chain to come up with an IPO in the recent time, following the successful listing of Burger King India and Barbecue Nation Hospitality. Investment bankers appointed to the issue are Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, CLSA India Private Limited, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. The registrar to the issue is Link in Time India Private Limited. Upon successful completion of its IPO, Devyani International will join the likes of Jubilant Foodworks Limited, Westlife Development Limited, and Burger King India. Devyani is the single largest QSR company in India to be listed on Swiggy and was amongst the largest QSR companies in India to be listed on the Zomato platform in 2019 and 2020. The weighted average return on the net worth of the last 3 fiscal is 24.26%, while the industry peers group PE ratio stood at 179.21 times. The company has planned to utilize the net proceeds towards funding the repayment or payment of all or certain of borrowings worth Rs 324 crore and for general corporate purposes. Devyani International business is broadly classified into 3 verticals that include stores of KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee operated in India. KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee referred to as core brands, and such business in India referred to as the core brand business. Stores operated outside India primarily comprising KFC and Pizza Hut, stores operated in Nepal and Nigeria, international business, and certain other operations in the F&B industry, including stores of our own brands such as Vaango and Food Street. Devyani International had 692 stores as of March 31, 2021 and 735 stores as of June 30, 2021 across its operations comprising KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee stores as well as outlets of other brands such as Vaango.